Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage push notification on Instagrams. Maybe you want to limit your push notifications on Instagram, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage your push Instagram notifications. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this home page. And then in here, you'll see here at the lower right corner of your screen your profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon and then you'll be directed into this profile page. And then in here, you will see the three icons. And then in here, you will see the three horizontal icons at the upper right corner of your screens. Once you tap on it, you will see here the settings and privacy. Tap on these settings and privacy. And then in here, you'll see how you use Instagrams. And below that, you will see the notifications. Tap on these notifications. You will see here the push notification. And then in here, to manage it, you can pause it all. To pause it, simply toggle this button. And you'll see in here, you won't get notifications. But you'll be able to see new notifications when you open Instagrams. In here, if you don't want to get notifications, you can set it to 15 minutes up to 8 hours. For example, you want to mute it into 8 hours, simply tap on the 8 hours. As you can see, it's now settled. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage your push notifications, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage push notifications, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.